Hello guys, I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'm gonna talk to you about one of the important topic which is almost useful for every individual. And the topic is how to speak in English confidently without fear. So this video is especially for the people who can read, write and understand the language but having difficulties in speaking and expressing themselves. A few years ago, I too had the same issue. I can able to understand what others speaking and I can text in English, but coming to speaking, I cannot properly speak with confidence in front of others. And I know many people are having this issue nowadays, which results in not performing well in our interviews, in our team meetings, and we cannot be able to express ourselves correctly. Today in this video, I'm gonna share with you a few things which I did on a daily basis, which really helped me in speaking the language confidently without any fear. The first thing I did was speaking to myself in English. Trust me guys, this is one of the best technique that you can use to improve your English speaking with confidence and without any fear. Usually what happens is, when we speak, we are afraid of what others think about our mistakes, and we are also afraid and we feel shame and guilt for not being able to communicate properly in front of others. The only way you can get rid of all these fears is by talking to yourself in English. So you don't fear or you don't feel shy to talk to yourself in English. So do that on a daily basis while you're traveling, while you're going to the schools or colleges, or while you are at home. We normally talk to ourselves many times in a day. So from now on, talk to yourself in English only. Okay? So this is the first step. The second thing that I did to improve my confidence in speaking English is recording to myself when I'm speaking. And guys, trust me, this is also one of the very important thing which will help you in understanding the vocabulary, how you sound, and also which will be very useful for you in sentence formations. So after each recording, you have to listen to it. When you listen to your voice, you will understand the mistakes. So basically, we heard so many people speaking in English, right? So when we listen to ours and when we compare our speaking with theirs, then we can easily differentiate and we will understand how we are sounding, what is our sentence formation, and how we are using the vocabulary. So every time we listen to our recording, every time we will get a chance to correct ourselves. So do the corrections and re-record again, and listen to it and re-record again. So record until you get satisfied with what you are speaking. In that way, you can improve a lot in speaking the language. So these are the only two things that I did on a daily basis to improve my confidence in speaking the language. So now I'm able to understand what others are communicating, and I'm also able to express myself without any fear in front of anyone. So last but not least, the one more thing that you need to do to get rid of all these fears is trust yourself. The more you trust yourself, the less you care about what others think about you. So that's all for this video guys, and I hope this video will be useful for at least some of you who are having these difficulties in speaking in English. And all the very best, take care of yourself, and bye bye.